probably is my placement in Singapore. Even just aesthetically, the place that I went to, Makino, there's like a little pond outside with koi fish, but on the inside of the building, there's real engineers doing real things. And it's just saying things that I just did not understand, which is brilliant at my age because you want to absorb everything you can. I think the guy that had the biggest influence on my wanting to be an engineer would have been Da Vinci. I love playing the guitar. Not too good at it just yet, I'm getting there. But I love just being able to sit down and just melt into some music, especially when my family's around. They're singing with me. I'm never happier.